Men, what if I told you that the answer to your bedroom struggles and blood pressure problems isn't sitting in a pharmacy, but right in your kitchen? There's a simple, natural drink that's been used for centuries, one that ancient kings swore by and modern science now backs. It's delicious, powerful, and best of all, it's completely natural. In this video, I'm going to reveal what I call liquid black, a drink so potent it's been compared to nature's Viagra. Not only can it help you get stronger, longer-lasting erections, but it also improves heart health, blood pressure, and energy levels. If you've been feeling like your drive, performance, or confidence is fading with age, this is your wake-up call. Stay with me, because what you're about to learn could change everything. And did you know? It's organic, easy to find, and backed by science. So, let me introduce you to flavanol-rich cocoa, what I like to call liquid black. This is nature's Viagra, and here's why. Centuries ago, Aztec Emperor Montezuma reportedly drank up to 50 cups of cocoa daily, often mixed with spices, to enhance vitality and sexual energy. But modern science began to take real notice in the 1990s when researchers studied the Kuna Indians of Panama. Despite their high salt intake and tobacco use, these people had virtually no hypertension or cardiovascular disease. The secret? They drank 5 cups of natural cocoa every day. Strong erections depend on healthy blood flow. As men age, physical activity declines, testosterone drops, and nitric oxide production weakens. This leads to shrinking penile tissue and difficulty maintaining erections. Erectile function and heart health are deeply connected, as both rely on healthy blood vessels. 'Cause if your heart is healthy, that means your erections are healthy too, and anything which is good for your heart is good for your erections. That's how it works. Okay, so the inner lining of these blood vessels, known as the endothelium, is responsible for producing nitric oxide, a critical molecule that helps blood vessels dilate. I'm sure you all know what nitric oxide is, and why is it so essential for erections, right? Alright. So, when this lining becomes damaged, it marks the beginning of both erectile dysfunction and cardiovascular disease. Now here's where cocoa steps in. Cocoa is one of the richest sources of flavanols, especially proanthocyanidins, which have been proven to improve endothelial function and nitric oxide production. In one study, just 15 healthy individuals who consumed flavanol-rich cocoa experienced significantly better blood flow in as little as 1 to 4 hours, results comparable to nitrate supplements. Another 2-week study with 21 people found that brachial artery blood flow improved considerably after daily cocoa intake. Even smokers with erectile dysfunction, typically difficult to treat, saw improved nitric oxide levels and vascular function. In a 12-week study involving 101 men with erectile dysfunction, those who drank cocoa mixed with spices and chilies at night showed remarkable improvements: 79% in men with mild ED, 83% in moderate ED, and 67% in severe ED. These benefits were even observed in patients dealing with diabetes, kidney disease, and heart failure. To make this powerful drink, choose high flavanol, organic cocoa powder, not processed options like Nestle or Hershey's. Mix 1 scoop into a cup of hot water and stir in 1 teaspoon of raw, unpasteurized honey. This natural honey not only adds flavor but also contains zinc, antioxidants, and blood sugar stabilizing compounds. If you're sensitive to caffeine, start with half a scoop to see how your body reacts. Some people may feel anxious or restless from too much cocoa, so listen to your body's signals. It's important to understand that most commercial chocolate products won't give you these benefits. During processing, they lose their flavanols and are loaded with sugar and emulsifiers that can actually harm your blood vessels. Only natural, minimally processed cocoa will provide the nitric oxide boost your body needs. To sum it up, flavanol-rich cocoa has been shown to increase nitric oxide levels, lower blood pressure, improve vascular function, reduce clotting risk, support glucose and lipid metabolism, and enhance erection quality, even in men with chronic health conditions. As always, speak with your doctor before adding anything new to your routine. In the summer, nature's Viagra is watermelon. In the winter, it's cocoa, liquid black. Use it consistently and feel the transformation. So there you have it, brothers, a powerful, time-tested solution hiding in plain sight. This isn't hype, this is science, A cup of flavanol-rich cocoa a day could be the game changer you've been waiting for. Not just for your performance, but for your entire health. But remember, transformation doesn't happen overnight. Be consistent, listen to your body, and take charge of your health like a real man should. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, share it with another man who needs this, and don't forget to subscribe, because I'm just getting started dropping truth bombs like this for men who refuse to settle. I'm Dr. Fiona, helping you live stronger, perform better, and age in reverse.